playthrough. I think I finally found it. I saw this because, like, I watch people play. Yes! Oh my god, babe, I found it! Let's go, bruh. No, because I saw this thing pointing out, like, with the fucking, like, little... Yeah, look at this antenna shit. Oh, so then it made you go through the cutscene. Trying to get out. Flat. Woohoo! We did it! We're omnipotent!
Scabby. Surveyor connection.
Oh, I feel so good. Reboot.
Use survey stations to scan for analyzed materials. Visit additional stations to expand the survey network.
Let's go.
I'm holding raw science in my hands. What does it even mean?
There we go. Let's get the fucking BroodMother research. And I got the BLT. Finally, we can fight this bitch. That's still crazy though. I know some PCs, little gaming laptops like fucking Alienware and shit, you can do that on. Nothing crazy, I get that. Yeah, I still need to get my capture card. It's one thing I forgot all about.